Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be featuring this 4.5 foot greenhouse, drop over greenhouse that I picked up from Aldi's. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm going to be featuring it in today's video where I'll be starting my garden, so stay tuned. Planting some banana peppers, parsley, and tomatoes and bell peppers. Last year and it didn't do good, so I'm gonna try again this year. So if you have any constructive criticism or tips, please let me know in the comment section, because I am willing to learn. So I did a little more research and I'm gonna try it again this year. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I focus on budget-friendly content. Using potting mix and these containers that I picked up from Lowe's. They're about 3 feet long. So when I was at Lowe's, I asked the young lady about planting my herbs, and she said I can go ahead and use potting mix since I'm using plants, because she said the soil from the container that the plants are already in already has nutrients, so I don't have to use compost. That's what she told me. So we're gonna see how this potting mix works. And I picked this bag of potting mix up from Aldi's about 2 weeks ago, and now I'm going to plant me some herbs. And I'm not a gardener, but I want to become a gardener. So this is my second time trying to garden. Last year I didn't do too good, so you know me, I'm not going to give up. So I did a little more research and got a little more information from different people that I know are good at gardening, and we're going to try it again. So right here I'm just breaking up the potting mix. And yeah, so if you like budget-friendly content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of this video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So this is the drop over greenhouse. It was pretty simple to put together. I just have everything housed in the greenhouse for now. I have to get some more containers so I can continue to build my garden. I'll give you an updated video. I'm gonna try to do an update at least every 2 weeks. So this is what I have right now. I found some plywood in my storage building, and I just used that as the to use as the floor for the greenhouse, because if not, the weeds will take over. So this is my tomato plant. Last year I did the seeds and did not have much luck. These are my banana peppers. I should have planted the banana pepper seeds with the banana pepper plants, but I didn't. So this trial and error, so that's why I'm videoing it, so I can get some tips on what I'm doing wrong. So this is it. This gonna conclude this video. This is my greenhouse that I picked up from Aldi's, and I'm loving it so far. So this is it. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.